Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful flower earring design. For making this I am using pearl cotton thread, fabric glue, 0.9 mm crochet hook, starch, white pearl, stud earring hook and scissor. Let's start with magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 1 half double crochet, second half double crochet, third half double crochet. So I will make total 11 half double crochet all around this ring and complete my round. I have completed my 11 half double crochet. Now I will connect to the first stitch by slip stitch and pull the magic rings thread. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chain and connect in same stitch by slip stitch. In next stitch I will move by slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Connect in same stitch by slip stitch. Again I will move in next stitch by slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Connect in same stitch by slip stitch. So I will follow same pattern and complete my round by making petals in every stitch. I have completed my round by making total 11 petals in my flower. Now I will cut the thread. Here is our first layer. Now we will make the second layer. So let's start with magic ring. One chain, one single crochet in ring, second single crochet in ring, third single crochet in ring, fourth single crochet in ring. So I will make total 8 single crochet all around this ring and complete my round. I have completed my 8 single crochet. Now I will pull the thread and connect it to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chain, connect in same stitch by slip stitch. Now I will move in next stitch by slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Connect in same stitch by slip stitch. So I will follow same pattern and complete my round by making total 8 petals. I have completed my 8 petals. Now I will cut the thread. Here is our second layer. Now I will apply starch backside of our both layers. Now I will shape it with the help of my hook. Like this. And this. I will shape my second layer with the help of bead. Like this. Now I will add stud earring hook in center of our first layer. I will pass through this. Now over this I will attach my second layer. In center of second layer I will paste little pearl. Our earring is ready, and here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.